Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. Today we have very important Maths Olympiad question that what is the value of pi minus 22 by 7? Is it greater than 0? Is it less than 0 or is it equal to 0? So most students will say equal to 0 since we know that pi is equal to 22 by 7. But if you remember, pi is not exactly 22 by 7. Pi is approximately 22 by 7. Okay. So in today's video, we will figure out what is happening here. What is the difference of pi and 22 by 7. Okay. So if you know that this is called the diameter of a circle, right? This is diameter of a circle. Okay. And circumference we know is 2 pi r, right? And diameter is 2r, right? That is why it is becoming pi, right? Okay, so how did we get the pi? Now I will tell you something here. So if you look at this, if we took the length of diameter, suppose I will assume the length of diameter is d. Okay, since I don't know what is the length, I will say it is d. Now what did they do? They tried to measure the circumference in terms of d. Okay, so suppose I take one diameter here. So I take one diameter length here, d length, right? Then I take another diameter length here and another d length. Okay, so this is another d. Okay, then I take another diameter length here and this is another d. So we got in diameter it is 3d, right? And then we are left with some portion. Okay, and we don't know how much is this portion, right? This one, we don't know how much is this. So what did we do? We took the diameter, okay, and then divided it into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Then I tried to put this part over here in this. Okay, when they tried to put here, whoever discovered pi, okay, when they tried to put here, this was not exactly 1/7 part. This was little smaller here. Okay, this part. And then what did they do again? Then they divided this diameter into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, suppose 8 equal parts. Then what happened here? In this case, when they put this part here, this was little bit bigger. Okay, so it was not exactly 1/7 and not exactly 1/8. So they said that this is, for taking the approximation, they said that this is equal to d by 7. Okay, so circumference was equal to d plus 3d plus d by 7, seventh part of diameter, which will become 22d by 7, right? Then what is pi then? Pi will be equal to 22d by 7 since pi is circumference by diameter, right? Then they cancel out d and pi is equal to 22 by 7. That is why we say pi is 22 by 7. But if you know, it was not exactly 1/7, it was less. So this is not exactly. So pi is little bit lesser than 22 by 7. It is not, that is why we say it is approximately. So if you find the difference, since pi is lesser, so pi minus 22 by 7 will be less than 0. Okay, so if somebody asks you now what is pi minus 22 by 7, it is less than 0. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept of pi and understood the difference between pi and 22 by 7. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you in next video.